Nyuma y'omwanchi omurigereria bune yemo yo Goting'Ia Oborendi BWENSE ya Kenya nigo omoroberio o JUKWA la USALAMA obete kogochakigwa bene ritko ria rero nigo OROBOTI rwabarokobwa twagochia ase OMORAI BWENSE negati ya barai korwa ase bitago by'Oborendi babagoikerana ase geikarikyo okwana nigo baeneke buna nigo abagambi nabo iga bakonyi babo barache kobwaterana asokorenta abananchi ang'e ne serikali eliokoenekia obokoreri obuya nonya nabo nige bikorwa byokobora k'Oborendi byabere bikoenekigwa amakiaya asense ya Kenya chingaki serikali yabekire emeroberio ase ogochigoting'ia Oborendi obwo morikito Julia Obuba na OROBOTI orwo
Maiga yogochakigwa k'omoroberio JUKWA la USALAMA nigo ritko rero OMORAI BWENSE RUTO abwatokirwa OROBOTI gokwana niga rero borose nebirenga by'omoroberio yo bunenchero yo komanya emechando y'Oborendi ase chingongo ao na korenta abananchi amone serikali.
Nilieleza waziri Murkomen kwamba yeye na team yake PSS pamoja na team yake yote waende mashinani watengeneze jukwaa la wananchi kuzungumzia mambo ya usalama. Kawaida jukwaa ama majukwaa ni ya siasa. Kawaida. Si ndivyo? Hivyo ndivyo tumezoea. Lakini tukasema tunataka kutengeneza jukwaa la wananchi kuzungumzia jambo la muhimu la usalama katika taifa letu. Mimi nawashukuru nyinyi katika mashinani sehemu zote za taifa letu la Kenya mulijitokeza na mkasema wazi wazi, wananchi wao wakasema wazi wazi ya kwamba haya ndio mambo tunataka yatatuliwe, ndio tuweze kuwa na usalama, ndio tuweze kama taifa tuendeshe mambo ambayo yanatuhusu ya maendeleo, ya masomo, ya kilimo na sehemu zile zingine zote ambazo tunataka kushughulika nayo. Hayawezi kwenda mbele kama hatuna usalama wa kutosha.
Asensemo yae omokonyi bw'OMORAI BWENSE Kithure Kindiki nigamente kwana ya RUTO chinguru na goteba buna onyoborendi BWENSE tibokobo emerobero nebirenga bya serikali tibigo ikerana.
We are looking at security being a key enabler to the vision that you carry for our country. As you continue to envision a better Kenya and what we need to do to build a better, more prosperous country, transform the economy, modernize our country from the third world into the first world like others have done. As you continue to help us refine the vision of the country, security is going to be a key enabler of that vision.
Waziri w'Oborendi Weme Kipchumba Murkomen niga irachinga kigo kwaniro bya bwebikaro bya JUKWA la USALAMA. Aya niga achirimaga yebikore byo kubora k'Oborendi koene kigwa chinsemo ao BWENSE ya Kenya.
Your Excellency, during this forum we had over 60,000 people attending, which included the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the village elders, representatives of community, civil society. It included also the OCSs, the police officers, and this engagement was very open and robust. In fact, by the time we did 3 counties, many people in the security sector called me and said, why are you having an open discussion on security issues with people like this? You are embarrassing the government. People are talking about offices they don't have. They are talking about fuel they don't have. They are talking about these other issues that they don't have. Why are you making this open? And we said, Your Excellency, this is the state of our nation, where if we must solve a problem, it must start by listening to those who are facing those problems on the ground.
Julia Obuba, Nsoko TV.